myself, Jonathan, for Fashion Sports, and on live with our breaks that we have to do on eBay. So the first break I'm going to do is Trilogy 1415, break 1403, and it's a double box break. 9 packs per box, 1 per pack. Do this. Pack number 1. Oh, nice. We start with a rookie premier autograph, number to 225. Calgary Flame, Johnny Gaudreau. Pack number 2, we have a pick our signature pucks. Tampa Bay Lightning, Vladislav Namestnikov. Can smell the rubber here. Third pack, we have a triptych LA Kings, Luc Robitaille. Number to 600. Pack number 4, we have a rookie premier number to 799, Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. What a year he's having. We have a triptych, Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. Number to 400. Next pack, probably a crystal. We have a crystal, number to 399, Colorado Avalanche, Joey Eschen. Rookie premier, number to 799, New Jersey Devil, Damon Severson. Next, we have a base card, number to 263, Minnesota Wild, Ryan Suter. And the last pack of box number 1, we have 2 hits. We have the rookie premier, number to 799, Tampa Bay Lightning, Vladislav Namestnikov. And we also have a triptych, Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Number to 400. 61 out of 400. So that's it for box number 1. Box number 2. Box 2. Pack 1. We start with, oh nice, Crystal Black. These are not numbered, but they're really rare. Tampa Bay Lightning, Vladislav Namestnikov. So Crystal Black. Next, we have a triptych, Detroit Red Wings, Dominic Hasek. Number to 400. Third pack, we have your rookie premier autograph, number to 399, Toronto Maple Leafs, Stuart Percy. Rookie premier, number to 499, San Jose Sharks, Chris Tierney. Next, we have your rookie premier, number to 799, Craig McKay, Toronto Maple Leafs. Rookie premier, 799, Nashville Predators, Colin Yankrock. Next pack, we have the rookie premier, Green Level 1, number to 199, Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. 2 packs left. What a break for Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay, signature pucks, 14 out of 15. Vladislav Namestnikov. And last pack, we have the rookie premier autograph with an inscription, and it's number 21 out of 49. And Akinori Go Isles. So New Year calendars, Griffin Reinhardt. And that's the end. Thanks, guys. And I'll be back in 2 minutes with our inner case break of Trilogy 1617. This is gonna be great.